Our next story highlights an enlightened company that's not only dedicated to manufacturing sustainable construction materials, but also employing and empowering vets as well. Lehigh Hanson appreciates the leadership skills instilled in former military personnel, which makes them the perfect fit for their organization.
For more than a century, Lehigh Hanson has been supplying cement, aggregates, ready-mixed concrete, asphalt, and other building materials to markets throughout North America. Today, as a part of HeidelbergCement, their reach and capabilities are more extensive than ever. Their products are the building blocks for every community.
I started with Lehigh Hanson in 1999 as a groundman, just out of the Army, and worked my way up through the company over the years, eventually becoming plant manager of the site. From there, I moved on to also taking over an asphalt plant as plant manager. And then in 2017, I moved into CCM, Competency Center Materials for the company, and became a continuous improvement manager for our North region in North America.
I started with Lehigh Hanson, or a predecessor thereof, Hanson Aggregates, about 20 years ago as a project manager. I had finished a civil engineering degree at the University of Arkansas and had done a few years of project management, construction management, had an opportunity to join Hanson Aggregates at the time. And Hanson was later acquired by HeidelbergCement, and they combined their two largest entities in North America, thus creating Lehigh Hanson. Over the period of time that I've been there, I've taken jobs from various locations, from being the Director of Engineering to my position today as the Vice President and General Manager for Southwest Aggregates. One of the things that I think is the most attractive thing about Lehigh Hanson and HeidelbergCement is the fact that it's a very stable place to work, and there's a lot of opportunity for growth and development.
Lehigh Hanson's leadership principles are very much like the qualities instilled in veterans during their participation in military service. This makes military veterans a natural fit for Lehigh Hanson. Lehigh Hanson recognizes how military experience can successfully translate into the civilian workforce and are committed to giving veterans opportunities.
So I enlisted in the military in '95, right out of high school, as a sense of self-pride, I guess, for myself. It was also a way to help pay for college. I was very happy to serve our country and learned a lot over the years with the military. And I think a lot of that has progressed with my journey through Lehigh Hanson as well. In 2001, I deployed with the Pennsylvania Army National Guard. Lehigh Hanson stood behind me and supported my fiance at the time, who later became my wife in 2004. We currently have 2 boys. We've grown as a family since then. Lehigh Hanson has been with us through the entire process.
So I joined the United States Navy just a few days after graduating high school. I knew at the time that I wasn't ready for college. Also, I knew that I didn't have the money to go to college. So I took a 2-year plan with the active Navy and then a 4-year reserve position with them as well. And when they said they showed me the world, they weren't kidding. I've been in more countries than I would have ever dreamed of in just 2 years with the Navy. And in those 4 years of reserves, I was able to accomplish most of what I wanted using the GI Bill to get a degree in civil engineering, which has then led to my ability to follow through with the career that I have today.
So some of the core values that Lehigh Hanson's looking for from our military veterans is a sense of pride. We also look at Lehigh Hanson as a family, just like the military treats all of their soldiers and servicemen as a family.
We actually share a lot of similar values. We believe in strength and integrity. We believe in organization and structure. But we also believe that brotherhood is very important. I'm very proud to say that there are several people on our staff that are either prior military that served a complete career or did a single tour like I did and found future success with the company.
There's a lot of pride distilled into the veterans, great work ethic, and we'd love to have that at our company. We are a family just like the military, and we like to treat every employee as such.
So we're a very international and global company, but with a very local feel.
You can count on Lehigh Hanson for best-in-class facilities, operations, people, products, service, and support. Committed to providing innovative, sustainable construction materials that maintain and improve the quality of life in today's fast-paced world.